Have you ever wondered how Europe welcomes the arrival of May with flowers, music, and vibrant spring celebrations? Are you looking for ways to decorate your home with colourful garlands, charming wreaths, and traditional maypole accents that capture the joy of the season? Curious how simple touches like fresh blooms, flowing ribbons, and natural greenery can transform your home into a cheerful springtime celebration? And wondering how to create a festive atmosphere that feels joyful and colourful, yet still elegant and beautifully natural? Stay with us, because today we're exploring European May Day home decoration ideas, inspired by maypoles, flower garlands, and elegant spring wreaths that celebrate the renewal of nature. What is May Day and why is it celebrated in Europe? May Day is a centuries-old celebration marking the arrival of spring and the renewal of life after winter. Across Europe, communities welcome the season with dancing, singing, floral decorations, and joyful gatherings. From village festivals to countryside celebrations, May Day represents hope, new beginnings, and the vibrant energy of blooming nature. How can home decor reflect the spirit of May Day? May Day decor celebrates colour, flowers, and natural beauty. Instead of elaborate decorations, focus on cheerful floral arrangements, ribbons, greenery, and handmade touches. The goal is to create an environment that feels lively, welcoming, and connected to nature. If you love joyful spring decor ideas, like this video and share it with someone who enjoys seasonal decorating. What role does the maypole play in decorations? The maypole is one of the most iconic symbols of May Day celebrations. Traditionally decorated with colourful ribbons and flowers, it represents community unity, fertility, and the flourishing energy of spring. During celebrations, people dance around the maypole while weaving the ribbons into beautiful patterns. How can you create a decorative mini maypole at home? You can recreate this tradition with a charming tabletop version. Use a wooden dowel or stick wrapped in ribbons, place it in a vase or small basket, and surround it with fresh flowers. This decorative centerpiece instantly brings festive May Day spirit to your home. Tell us in the comments if you've ever celebrated May Day or created a maypole decoration. Why are flower garlands essential for May Day decor? Flower garlands symbolize the abundance and beauty of spring. Draped across doorways, windows, tables, or fences, they create a vibrant and welcoming atmosphere. Their natural texture and color instantly brighten any space. What flowers work best for May Day garlands? Spring flowers such as daisies, tulips, roses, wildflowers, and greenery work beautifully for garlands. Combining different colors and textures creates a lively yet harmonious display. Wildflowers especially add a charming countryside feel. For more spring decorating inspiration, check out our full playlist in the description below. How can spring wreaths enhance May Day decorations? A floral wreath on your front door sets the tone for the celebration. Choose soft blooms, fresh greenery, and pastel ribbons to create a welcoming seasonal entrance. This simple decoration instantly reflects the joy of spring. What colours capture the essence of May Day? Bright and cheerful colours define May Day celebrations. Yellow symbolises sunshine, pink represents blooming flowers, lavender adds softness, sky blue reflects clear spring skies, and fresh green represents renewal. These colours together create a lively and uplifting palette. Subscribe for more European seasonal decor ideas and home styling inspiration. How can you decorate an outdoor table for a May Day gathering? Outdoor tables should feel relaxed and festive. Use light linen tablecloths, simple ceramic plates, and fresh flowers in glass jars or pitchers. These natural elements create a charming countryside dining setting. What decorative details make a May Day table special? Small decorative accents can transform the table. Ribbon-tied napkins, flower crowns placed on chairs, or tiny wreaths used as table accents add playful seasonal charm. These thoughtful details make the celebration feel extra joyful. Love these festive ideas. Find similar decor pieces linked in the description below. How can floral crowns be incorporated into decor? Floral crowns are a beautiful symbol of May Day celebrations. They can be displayed on chairs, hung on walls, or worn during festivities. These crowns bring a whimsical and romantic element to the celebration. What indoor decorations capture the May Day spirit? Bring spring indoors with vases of fresh flowers, ribbon bows, and small floral wreaths placed on shelves or tables. These simple touches help fill your home with the colour and energy of the season. Explore more seasonal decorating inspiration in our similar videos listed in the description. What lighting enhances a spring celebration? Natural daylight is perfect for daytime celebrations. In the evening, lanterns, fairy lights, or candle clusters create a warm and magical glow that enhances the festive atmosphere. If you enjoy seasonal decorating ideas like this, make sure to subscribe for weekly inspiration. How can you decorate for May Day on a budget? May Day decor is wonderfully simple and creative. Use flowers from your garden, craft homemade garlands, and repurpose glass jars as vases. Nature itself provides most of the beauty needed for the celebration. European May Day celebrations welcome spring with colour, joy and natural beauty. With flower garlands, cheerful wreaths, ribbon accents and Maypole-inspired decorations, your home can reflect the vibrant energy of the season. Keep your decor simple, colourful and nature-inspired, and let the beauty of spring guide your celebration. If you enjoyed these May Day decoration ideas, like this video and share it with friends who love seasonal celebrations. Tell us your favourite May Day decoration idea in the comments below. Explore our spring decor playlist in the description for more inspiration. Subscribe and turn on notifications for more European seasonal decor ideas. Looking for more decorating inspiration? Check out similar videos linked in the description. Find the decor items featured in this video through the links provided in the description.